Next, États-Unis. That is, the city is La Nouvelle-Orléans. Il y a des concerts de jazz.
Hey there, welcome to frenchnyou, your go-to place for affordable live online French courses. Whether you are a beginner or preparing for DELF or DELF exam, we have got you covered. Join our global community of more than 25,000 learners from more than 45 different countries with 2 million plus views on YouTube. On our website, you can rate your own French level and pick the batch that suits you best. We offer multiple time slots and you get to choose two preferences at the time of registration. Every French course includes 2 mock DELF practice exams and a course completion certificate. Visit frenchnyou.com to explore course details, success stories and more.
Okay, so starting from the very first lesson of this of this dossier, that is lesson 1, aller voir ailleurs. Please note down the chapter name, aller voir ailleurs.
Aller voir. Ailleurs.
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 Ailleurs. Aller voir ailleurs. So,
What is
इनमें
ailleurs?
से आप बताओ, what do you understand?
Aller is go.
Voir is to see.
Okay.
Voir means to see, and else ailleurs is elsewhere. See, ailleurs means elsewhere. So you can note down.
Go see elsewhere.
Go and look somewhere else. Go and see somewhere else elsewhere. Okay. So the objective. No, qu'est-ce que vous pouvez dire? L'objectif.
Nome de pe e de via
Wheel.
wheel
यहाँ पे इस वाले वर्ड में हम व्हील बोलते हैं.
wheel ILLE तो ई होता है ना.
हाँ, करेक्ट. जैसे यहाँ पे भी अगर हम बोले ना आइलियर नहीं है ये, इट्स आइयर, बट दिस व्हील इज व्हील.
wheel okay. Here
आप
it is
मुझसे
not
पूछोगे ऐसा
via.
क्यों, मुझे नहीं पता.
Okay.
Okay. So
Exception.
nome de pays et de villes, to name the countries and the cities. Okay. Okay. This is a very interesting chapter. I mean, you'll really like it. So we will learn how to name the countries. I mean, and not name the countries basically. I mean, we will get to know a lot of name of the countries, and and about some cities also. So let's see. We will talk about a lot of cities in a lot of countries, and we will describe some of them also.
Nome
Okay.
means to name.
Name.
Huh.
Okay.
Nome is to name or to call. Call मतलब वो ये वाला call नहीं. To call something, to name something. Okay. Observer le document et identifier. Okay. So you have to observe this whole document and identify le titre, l'auteur who has written, les photos, les rubriques, les informations. 5 things we need. So you just have to identify. Okay. So, Anu, what is le titre? Quel est le titre de ce document? Quel est le titre?
Le carnet
The voyage.
de voyage.
Voyage, exactement. Le carnet de voyage is like a travel book. Okay. Carnet is like a small book. Okay. A small column भी बोलते हैं carnet. Carnet is like a small book or a small like a column. Especially जैसे न्यूज़पेपर्स होते हैं ना, न्यूज़पेपर्स में स्पेसिफिक मल्टीपल कॉलम्स होते हैं ना, उनके लिए स्पेसिफिकली बोलते हैं काखनी. Columns, multiple columns of the newspaper. Okay. Otherwise, it's like a petit जैसे डायरी होती है ना, छोटी वाली नोटबुक. It's like that, काखनी.
Okay.
Uh,
Like a directory, maybe. No.
like a
Like a directory.
like a
नहीं
directory. मतलब I mean, but वो empty, मतलब I mean where you write something, you know, छोटे छोटे diaries होती हैं
हम्म,
like that. So it's like a travel diary or travel notebook. आप ऐसे समझ सकते हो. Travel diary kind of thing. अच्छा, who is the author? Qui est l'auteur de cette
and
कहानी? And exactly,
and
and photos you already understood. Photos Thailand, Australia की photo है.
हम्म,
Then we have Etats-Unis, United States की photo है. पेरू, ब्राजील ना.
हम्म,
रूब्रिक. रूब्रिक का मतलब हो गया सेक्शंस और अ कॉलम. रूब्रिक. रूब्रिक is like a section or heading or column like that. So what do you think? What are the, like, what are the rubrics?
pay ma wheel no ma wheel
Hmm.
and more
More
cons
concise.
more
But
con
यहाँ पे ना basically this part will actually come in the information अनुभूति.
okay
les informations. ये आएगा information में. हम
okay
सिर्फ इस पार्ट को कंसिडर करेंगे. सिर्फ इस पार्ट को
then pay
rubric में. बस.
pay
Let I know. Okay. These are the rubric. अगर कोई इसमें से पूछा अगर इस पिक्चर में rubric क्या है,
this
पेई
is
और सादी. This is the rubric. पेई लेते ताजुनी. This is the rubric. That's it.
that's
सेक्शन का नाम जानना है बस हमें.
pay
Okay.
le pay
Then
yeah
what do when we talk about information? So information, these are the informations. So you know, Bangkok, area the tuk tuk, aller en Thaïlande du Sud, dans les îles, blah blah blah. Okay.
this conceal is what ma
Conseil advice, my advice,
oh
my suggestion or my advice.
and we pronounce it
Conseil, more conseil,
consent
Concise. L,
conseil.
not L. L silent.
L is silent, conseil. Okay. Now we're in with question number one. Question number two.
hmm.
Lisez le carnet de voyage et associe chaque photo à une rubrique.
But read the
I don't think so. We have to do this. Actually. Let's leave it. I mean, इसमें they are just asking me to just you know, associate photo
with
with
the
the rubric. For example, जैसे माँ व्हील वाला सेक्शन दिया हुआ है. So उसकी rubric क्या है? ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है. Why do I have to?
hmm.
Anyways, let it be. Okay, moving to question three. Par de réaliser, associer chaque activité ou les lieux au vide. So this is a good question where we can, this one we can do.
yeah
So we have to read the document once, the whole document,
hmm.
and associate the activities. Like, you know, जो भी हम activities यहाँ पे लिखी हुई हैं, जैसे où écouter de la musique. Question है अगर है, où écouter de la musique? Where can we listen to the music? Okay. Où est la plage de Bondy? Where is the plage of Bondy? You know, où prendre le tuk-tuk? Where can we take the tuk-tuk? Où visiter une cathédrale? Where can we visit a cathedral? So you have to then tell me the names, associate the names of the places. Okay? कहाँ कहाँ हम ये activities कर सकते हैं? Go ahead, read the information that is given for each country, and let me know.
Toute. How do we pronounce this?
Tooth.
Toot.
Ok, donc, ok, Anuvati, où écouter de la musique?
La nouvelle or
Or,
Orléans
La Nouvelle-Orléans.
la nouvelle Orléans
Okay, Anup, next one. Où est la plage de Bondy?
Cusco.
Cusco. Okay, next,
No,
Anuvati.
no, sorry. It would be the Sydney. Sorry.
Sydney.
Sydney,
Okay.
Sydney.
Okay. Sydney. Next one. Français le tuk-tuk. Tuk-tuk.
Bangkok.
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 Okay. Anoop, next. Où visiter une cathédrale?
Cusco.
Cusco. Wait, Shisha. Now let's go through the city name and the information given. So first one, pays Thailand, ma ville, Bangkok. À Bangkok, il y a des tuk-tuk. In Bangkok, there are tuk-tuk. These kind of tuk-tuk cars, and they're called as tuk-tuk. Mokansai, my advice. I think he is a native. He is a local person from there. He is giving an advice. Allez en Thaïlande du Sud. Go to the south of the Thailand. Dans les îles. Now, île means the islands.
Île.
And go to the islands. Okay. Île. So, in case you want to note down the meaning, you can note it down. Île means the islands. Voila. Next one. L'Australie, Australia. So, the person who has written this, his city is Sydney in Australia. À Sydney, la plage de Bondi est magnifique. The plage de Bondi. So this must be the name of the beach. Plage is the beach. Is magnifique. Magnifique is like magnificent. Mon conseil, his advice is, pour aller en Australie, en avion, changer à Singapour. Okay. So उसने जो advice दी है, that is to go to Australia in a flight, change at Singapore.
Okay.
Next.
This magnific. How to pronounce
Magnifique.
this?
Magnifique.
Okay.
Magnifique.
G is silent, huh?
Yeah. Then we have next États-Unis. That is the city is La Nouvelle-Orléans. Il y a des concerts de jazz toute la vie. That means there are jazz concerts, in the city, like the whole city. Dans toute la ville, matlab in the whole city.
Okay.
Then mon conseil, allez aux États-Unis pour visiter le Grand Canyon. Now, go to the United States to visit the Grand Canyon, the Grand Canyon. Yeah.
Okay.
Then we have Peru. The city is Cusco. À Cusco, la cathédrale est très belle. The cathedral is very beautiful. Mon conseil, allez au Pérou pour voir le Machu Picchu. Machu Picchu. Machu Picchu. I think in English में तो हम ऐसे बोलते हैं ना, Machu Picchu ऐसे करके बोलते हैं. Right? But in French, C and H combines and gives sh. So Machu Picchu. Okay? So go to Peru to see Machu Picchu.
Belle is beautiful.
Yeah.
Belle.
It's not ballet, Anup, it's belle.
Belle.
Okay. Then we have Le Brésil. Brazil, city name Rio. Top l'arrivée à Rio de Janeiro en avion. No? Arrival at Rio de Janeiro in plane. Mon conseil, aller au Brésil pour les chutes d'Iguaçu. Now, let me just see what's this Iguaçu. Okay, so it's a fall. It's the name of the waterfall actually. This one.
Yeah.
It's like this. Iguazu Falls. Iguazu Falls. So it's like that. Okay. Argentina mein.
So this Le Shoot, that's the name?
No. Les chutes is like अगर मैं ऐसे देखूं, chute is a waterfall.
Okay.
Chute basically English word है basically, you know. French में भी है, but it's an English word. Waterfalls के लिए chute. जैसे the chute was frozen solid in the winter. That means the
Okay.
waterfall
The fall was frozen.
was uh, was solid in the winter. It's a synonym for waterfall.
Okay.
Say to Purusha Dui.